Here at Clear Light Window Washing, we do a lot more than window washing. We do pressure washing, gutter cleaning, solar panels, skylights, decks, driveways. We handle both commercial and residential. No job is too big or too small.
I had Clear Light Window Washing come out and do some window washing. They also do power washing, so I had some of that done. I was really happy with the work. They were there on time, and I will definitely hire them again.
We've been in business 35 years. We serve Marin and Sonoma counties. When you call our office, there will always be a live person answering the phone. We strive to be on time with every appointment. We're fully licensed, bonded, and insured. We're an A+ rated member of the BBB. When you hire Clear Light Window Washing, you can expect we'll arrive on time. If you're looking to spruce up your house by having some windows cleaned or having some power washing done, give us a call. We offer free estimates.